I don't want to work out today. I don't. My chest hurts, my back hurts, my legs hurt. I don't want to do cardio today. I don't. But I have to. It's only 3 days in. 3 days. And I feel like this. Let's start the video. Let's go. Follow Filmo Trail. 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 Let's go. So yesterday I didn't show y'all this, but about to take my blood sugar right now, and I thought this would be educational because it's probably gonna be mad high, but it is what it is. Let's see. There we go. Get some blood. Push it in. Add the blood. Yeah, it's mad high right now. 323. Damn. So, with it being 323, that changed a lot of stuff that I could eat today. I kind of went crazy last night. So, yeah. So, with it being so high, I got to change a lot of things that I eat today. Cleaner eating today. Absolute cleaner eating today. So, the first thing I'm going to do is boil some water. Got the water brewing. Everyone makes their tea different, but the way I do it is I get some hot water, line that bad boy up, water. Give me a half a lemon, and what I do is I squirt it, that water, that juice, all up in there. Then I add 1 tea bag, just one. And let that thing soak. And as that soak, this will be my breakfast. Berries and cherries. And as I walk, I will eat this outside. Did not scale it. Did not do none of that stuff. But I'm hungry as hell. So yeah, I'm about to pound myself with this and this. And that will be my breakfast for the day. Until I get back, I'll retake my blood sugar. And also my daily vitamins. No ashwagandha today. Just the daily vitamins, the fish oil, the vitamins, and the metformin. I'm not metformin. VSG. I think it's metformin. Yeah. Diabetes medication. Getting this lovely work in. Hard, but at the same time, got to get this cardio in. So I'm pumping out the cardio. Right now I'm at 48 minutes of cardio. Nice little brisk walk, burning the fat. And locking in. About to give me a salad, but take my blood sugar before I eat the salad. So yeah, hard work, dog, hard work. You gotta keep on moving. That's what I'm trying to do, just keep on moving, keep the vibe going, and everything will be okay. I had to stop and get a salad. Not too crazy. Okay, about to take the blood sugar again. Come on, ask for blood. Ask for blood, and we are at 398. What the hell? Okay, went the wrong way. Okay, for some reason my blood shit's gone up. Don't know why. Gotta figure it out. Not good, not a good feeling, but I still gotta give me some food in me. So I'm gonna eat this salad right here. So this is my salad that I will be eating. Show it to y'all. Voila. And let me eat this salad, then get back to it, rest for a little bit, and hit the gym. So this is what I see, and everything seems to be working. And then when I lift this right here, I notice that it's broken right there, or I don't know if it is broken, but I got some plastic right there hanging off, as you can see. So I don't know what I need. Yeah, don't know what I need. I'm about to go to the gym. And then I look down here because my water is running. And I'm like, I gotta go to Home Depot and get the pieces for the toilet. So now instead of going to the gym, I have to go do this first. So let's go get this done, y'all. It's not one thing, it's another. Boom. Toilet, 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 toilet. Toilet, toilet, toilet parts, toilet parts, toilet parts. Oh, it could be anything. Hold on. So I bought the ring. Hopefully that fixes it. I don't know if it's supposed to be lifting up with water. Oh, it is lifting up with water. Okay. And we'll see if I fixed it. I don't know what's happening. I did it. I fixed it. I fixed the toilet. Oh, shit. I fixed the toilet. I fixed it. I'm a man. I did it. I did it. I really did it. Oh, yes. Nobody can tell me nothing. I just fixed my first toilet. Yes, I'm excited. Yes, I feel like the biggest man in the world because I fixed the toilet all by myself. Yes, I did that. Yes. Walking to the gym right now. Try to get this workout in every day. I'm going to the gym and working out, but I'm recognizing this about my life right now. There's too many highs and lows. Too many highs and lows. 1 minute I'm super, super high, then I'm super, super low. Super, super high, then super, super low. I gotta fix this. I don't like this. It needs to be a straight, consistent trajectory up. This whole up and down shit, it's not me. And I can't handle it. But Bob told me some really good advice. He said, take it out in the gym. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Take it out in the gym, lock in, and we'll see what comes from this. All right, we in. So I got my workout in. It's a pretty decent workout. I did something really crappy today, and I took my anger out on someone that didn't deserve it, and I feel really bad. Really bad. Yeah, I crashed out today, and I'll grow from it and get better. I didn't apologize to the person. I could, but nah. I just gotta do better next time and just grow from what I did, because I definitely said something that I shouldn't have said, and it was wrong. But yeah, about to go home and just lock in and hopefully just become a better man. Next stream should be better, y'all. Well, not stream, but next time I post on YouTube should be better. All right, I'm out.